Our research project was on the most frequented day of the week for raptors in Second Mountain, Pennsylvania. This project was authored by Michaela Browning, Joshua Gibbons, Arthur Jolicoeur, and Ariana Springer. Our introduction. Raptors consist of all birds of prey, including hawks, vultures, falcons, and more. They are a monophyletic group, and they are typically migratory birds, changing location due to lack of resources such as food, mates, and/or nesting and breeding locations. Temperature, wind, barometric pressure, precipitation, species, age of bird, and sex of bird are all factors in individual raptor migration time. Our research question was if there is one day of the week in which raptors are more active at Second Mountain, Pennsylvania. We predicted that more raptors would be active on Wednesdays than on other days.
For the method behind our research question, we decided to choose Second Mountain, Pennsylvania as the watch site. It is in the northeast United States and has a moderate autumn weather with a lot of vegetation in the area. The temperature for the fall season ranges from 85 degrees Fahrenheit in August to 45 degrees Fahrenheit in November. Second Mountain is also in close proximity to Blue Mountain and Peters Mountain, which provides a suitable nesting environment for raptors. We then utilized reliable hawk count website to gather data on hawk sightings. We organized and gathered the data by week, temperature, and the number of hawks sighted in a day. Once all of the data was organized, we were able to create a table of all the different hawk species that were encountered. We also created mini graphs to display the correlation between day and hawk sighting numbers that are displayed in the middle of the poster, which will either support or reject our hypothesis.
Results. Out of the 20 species observed, 3 were seen the most: the broad-winged hawk, the sharp-shinned hawk, and the red-tailed hawk. As can be seen on Figure 1, frequency of occurrence of birds of prey species for Second Mountain, Pennsylvania. However, in Figure 2, the broad-winged hawk and sharp-shinned hawk are seen most abundantly, which correlates with our results. The broad-winged hawk being seen 42% of the time, and the sharp-shinned hawk being seen 27% of the time. For the rest of the species, they were all seen at a combined 20% of the time.
Conclusion and discussion. Our hypothesis was rejected as there is no shown correlation between the days of the week and abundance. Temperature had little to no influence on the raptor abundance, but other weather factors were not considered, and this could be a further point for further research. Diversity increased over time due to seasonal changes, and at the start of the season and end of the season are more similar to themselves rather than each other in terms of richness. And then finally, raptor activity is less categorized by a frequented day, but more likely categorized like a frequented set of days or even weeks.